$142 loss today, stopped out by a couple of ticks. It wasn't necessarily a bad trade. Anyway, let's get on with it. It's Friday the 20th of October. Let's check out the live trade. So my first target is to take the previous hour low, and then I haven't got much to target after that, so just to sort of wait and see. There's a couple of bullish fair value gaps below London low, so I'm not going to be really confident in going short because it could turn around at any moment. So I'm hoping that we just have a sweep of the previous hour low or the sweep of the London low. Hopefully a nice reversal and an up move for the day, because there's more to go off of if we're bullish. But we'll see what happens. Play it by ear. So it looks like we're just continuing to push down. It's more of a liquidity run than a sweep, but we are in bullish fair value gap territory. So I'm not sure if I'm even going to take a trade, to be honest. This would have been a nice little 2-to-1 trade. I would have taken it if we weren't within that bullish fair value gap. So I mean, I'm not mad that I didn't take it. It's not a trade that I was 100% confident in. So I'm happy to have skipped it, but yeah, it would have been a nice little trade. So we've now pushed down. We've left a fair value gap. I think I want to look to go for a little short, targeting that lowest fair value gap. Was a little small fair value gap on the 4-hour chart. That might be what we're pushing for. And I'll put my stop loss just above this swing highs, making sure my risk is quite small on this, because it's not an overly confident day. Just trying to catch a small move. Well, it's more of the field. It's pushing up a little bit more than I'd like it to. Yeah, that stopped me out. So that's a $142 loss. I'm going to keep watching this trade, just out of interest to see if it's only just stopped me out, or if it is reversal for the day. Yeah, it would have been a winning trade in the end. We stopped out just by a few ticks, but it's a very choppy day. I don't think it was necessarily a bad trade. I think my stop loss is where it should have been. The next sort of place for it to be would have been the net swing high, which would have been a massive stop loss, which is not something I would have done. Just one of them things. It is what it is. Bit of a choppy day, and it's just come up, just stopped me out, and then continued down. That's fine. I'm roughly $620 up for the week, and my Topstep account is at 51,320, so just under halfway now. Making slow progress, but it's progress and it's in the right direction. I'm really happy with how it's going, to be honest. My win rate's around 50%, which just goes to show my risk management is really on point in the minute, because I'm still able to be 1,300 up. So though it feels really slow, I'm making steady gains in the right direction. Never know, at this rate I might be funded by the end of the year. Right, we'll leave it there then for today. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next week.